welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. And today is going to be a styling session called Proud in Purple. So my friend Shannon, and I'll link her channel below, says to me, "You don't wear any purple. You don't like purple?" I'm like, "I love purple. What do you mean I don't wear any purple?" So I figured maybe I was neglecting my purple clothes. So I took my wardrobe out and I'm gonna be styling all my purple pieces for you today. Give me a minute and let me show you a few view of this outfit. Okay, so for this outfit, I am wearing a White House Black Market blazer, a sleeveless snakeskin, not snakeskin, but snakeskin pattern top, also from White House Black Market in the same kind of purple, or lavender I should say. It has a snap closure for modesty here, a banded bottom here, and as you can see, it has the choker style up here. Now these styles don't bother me. I kind of like these styles. It's something different, all right? Some of you might say, oh, that's kind of passé, or you know, those were in style a few years ago. I like them. It's something different. I've said this before, I really enjoy banded bottoms. I think they help define my waist a little better. The jacket has some stretch, not a lot of stretch. Most of my jackets that I do get from White House Black Market, I waited until they were on sale for about 50 bucks, sometimes 60, in the back of the store on the clearance rack. So the pants are also White House Black Market. They're utility pants, and I agree, they're kind of casual with this, but go with me, all right? They're an ivory in color, and they got the cargo style on the pockets, a faux zipper here just for show. I mean, it opens, but there's no pocket. And then a zipper here down the bottom. And with it, I have paired my ivory boots, and this is my outfit, okay? All right, you're gonna say, "Carolyn, this is a springtime outfit. It's the middle of winter." Stay tuned, I have more purple to show you. Okay, next up I have this purple sweater that I actually got with Kayla from Kayla's Closet back, oh gosh, when was it? Last year when we went to Garden State Plaza Mall. It's an INC sweater. It has the puff sleeves over here, and the denim is, who is this from? Trunks, Wantable, Stitch, I don't remember who sent it to you. It's Vigos. It was my very first pair of Vigos. They're a straight crop leg. You know, I have them rolled up one. I wouldn't have to roll them up to keep them cropped. It would still be cropped, rolled down like this, right? They're distressed here at the knee. I love these Vigos. They fit me perfectly. Like they're landing where I like them to land, which is right here, right below my belly button, like right at it. And I paired it with a pair of mules, which you don't see me too often in. So the reason why you don't see me too often is because I live in New Jersey, and once it gets cold out, my feet get cold as well too. So I typically only wear mules probably, you know, early fall, like from September to October, and then in the springtime, March, April, May, depending on the weather. So I think of mules as like a transition shoe when it's like a little bit still too cold to wear sandals, but you kind of want to start peeping your feet out there. I like mules. Mules are one of my favorite type of shoe because I'm lazy. You just slide them on and go, but they just aren't really conducive to our climate here. So here is another purple. Like this is a you know, crew neck style puff sleeve, and it's a sweater from INC Macy's. All right, stay tuned for the next purple item. Okay, up next is a sweater I have not given love to yet this winter. That doesn't mean that I don't like the sweater, but I've been trying to do things for you in styling different things like faux leather or camo, and I just have an obscene amount of clothes and I just never got around to the sweater. It doesn't mean I don't like it or I'm, you know, disrespecting the sweater. Love the sweater, just haven't gotten a chance to wear it. So this is a Loft Sweater. It's, you know, your basic crew neck sweater, but I just feel the colors are so pretty and I love the sleeve detail in this. All right, so I'm coming closer. You see the colors in this? It's actually like a marled yarn that gives it the effect of like a lavender / periwinkle. And it has like, this is crochet and that's my skin showing through. There's the crochet detail or the pointelle. And even like stitching up here, love the detail. Now the front of it is just plain, okay? and you're gonna say to me, this isn't true purple, this is lavender. Yeah, it's true, but it's still part of the purple family. So with it, I paired just a pair of bootcut jeans that are not distressed from White House Black Market in this medium to darkish wash, and my Michael Kors light gray booty since it's a softer color sweater. And this is my next purple item. Stay tuned for more purple. Okay, at this point you're going like, all right, how much purple does this lady have? Don't worry, I can keep going. So this is like a nighttime dinner out with friends outfit. So this is again, White House Black Market. Matter of fact, I should hashtag them in this post because most of these items are from White House Black Market. Blouse that has like a scroll work. So some of you will be like, God, I thought Carolyn was really into the neutrals. I didn't know she had so much interest in color. Well, I have interest in it all. So there's a couple things about me. I like my neutrals. I like some color. I don't like really bold, like fluorescent colors, but I do like color. I love florals. I love paisley. And I love this kind of scroll work. And I love abstracts. So there's not much I don't like. So if you see, this is like a burnout type of blouse with all this different kind of, I guess, is this called the fleur de whatever it is? But I call it scroll work, okay? Love it, okay? And again, that banded bottom gives me a waist. And I paired it, again, with White House Black Market, my coated jeans that have the, what's it called, seam down here on the front. And I paired them with my Stitch Fix shoes because Stitch Fix came through and gave me these great, comfortable pumps to wear. So, again, I think I've mentioned this before. I can wear heels no problem, but they have to be either a boot or have a strap. I need something around my ankle or across the top of my foot. I can't wear something that, you know, I have to curl my toes in to keep them on my feet. So anything with the strap or is typically perfectly comfortable for me, and I really do enjoy wearing heels like this. Very comfortable. All right, so this would be my dinner out outfit. Give me a minute, and I'm gonna find another purple outfit. The next look is also an office look that I seldom wear skirts, so I figured let me put this outfit together and show you what I do have in skirts too, because my skirts have not been getting love since I've been working from home since 2020. All right, so this skirt is, believe it or not, from the Limited. If you remember how old that is, I got this skirt. I remember my daughter was 2 years old when I got this skirt, so that was 13 years ago. So that's how old this skirt is. It's just a plain, basic black pencil skirt, and it fits, so it's not leaving my wardrobe because you never know when you need a plain black pencil skirt, no matter how old it is. If something were to happen to this pencil skirt, I would replace it, even though I never wear skirts, because you never know when you need a plain black pencil skirt. I'm going to take my jacket off so you can see the pretty details of this top. It is a camisole, and I am not wearing a strapless bra with it, so you might see my bra straps, which are nude and not black. I would wear a black bra with this if I were to wear a regular bra versus a strapless. But if I were to wear this in the office, I would always keep the jacket on. I would never show my arms in this camisole in the office, which I don't go to anymore. But let me come closer and show you how pretty the details are in this blouse, all right? So, or camisole, however you want to say. Look at all the embroidery. So, yes, I like neutrals. Yes, I like clean and modern. But yes, I also like these pretty feminine details like embroidery, crochet, lace, puff sleeves, you know. I think I'm pretty flexible as to what things I do like and don't like, you know. I mean, it's not that much I do not like, which is part of my problem. Look at the back of it too. It has like bigger flowers along the back here. Isn't that pretty? It has two little slits on the side. So I love this top. This is a gorgeous top. The blazer, which if I were to go to the office, I would be wearing this blazer because I just find it more appropriate. And it's just a black blazer by, I think Jameson is the name of the company, and I got it from not even Trendsend, I ordered it on my own from Evereve, and I think I paid like 40 bucks for it on sale. So it's extremely, extremely stretchy, basic black blazer. There's nothing to complain about it. It does have snaps here in the front, which I will never snap because I don't wear my jackets closed. I kept on the same pair of strappy heels. Some of you might say that this is too dressy type of shoe to wear to the office. I would still wear them to the office because, again, I need that thing around my ankle. All right, give me a minute and I'll keep going because I got more purple to show. Okay, I'm back to summer. So this is just a little, I would call this color lilac, blouse from Loft. You know, it has little ruffle sleeves. It has these strings that most people hate. Some people tie them up. I don't tie them. I just let them hang. I don't mind them. With it, I have a pair of very light gray White House black market pants, which are a little too tight for me. These pants I would wear to the office, but if I were going back to the office, I don't think I would feel comfortable wearing these because they are pretty form-fitting and snug. A little bit of weight still to lose from being in quarantine. I'm almost there. With it, I have paired a pair of shoes. I used to have a pair of gray shoes when I went into the office, and they kind of got destroyed, so I got rid of them. If I had been going into the office, I would have actually gotten another pair of gray shoes to replace them because I find a gray pair of sandals, light gray, is very versatile in the summer. When you don't want to stick out like a sore thumb, and you're wearing grays and maybe even blacks, and you don't want such a heavy looking shoe. So let me show you the shoes I have on instead. They're kind of a blue-gray, and they're not my first choice, but I put it on with this outfit to give you the idea. So if they were more in color with the actual pants, it would be like a more streamlined look. The pair that I had were very similar to this, but yeah, I got rid of them probably like last summer, possibly, okay? And here they are, better look. All right. So yeah, this would be a very appropriate outfit for my office in the summertime, but I would not feel comfortable in these pants because they are pretty tight on me. All right, give me a minute and I'll come up with more purple. Okay, I'm back to looking edgy and a nighttime outfit. And it's more a winter type of outfit. So I have on, and I've showed you this before, a half leather, half faux suede little mini skirt that I got from a mix and match years ago. It's by Dear John. So as you say, it just comes to my fingertips, and this is probably about as short as I like to go. As long as, like, when I bend down, I don't show everything, you know, to everybody, but it is, you know, just my fingertips. I think it makes it. All right, with it I have paired this cute little edgy top, and excuse me if my bra straps are showing a little bit here. It is, this I got from a Stitch Fix, and I think I got this one, there's a little gnat in here. This one I got on my own. This one I think is a 41 Hawthorne, keep me honest, Stitch Fix people. But it's like a creepy polyester top that has a lot of stretch to it, and I think it's kind of unique. So when I say I don't have any cutouts, I'm lying. This one is a cutout top. So this is really a cute top, kind of has some edge to it, a little twist front, and I like it. And it's in like a purpley plum shade. Let me get closer so you can see this color. All right. So man, it's kind of coming magenta off on the camera. I would say it's more of a purpley plum. All right, and because I would be cold, I have my trusty moto jacket, okay? Also faux leather, INC. And this would be a good dinner outfit for a night out on the town. And I'm paired it with who are these? Chemical Reaction faux suede knee-high booties. So yeah, this is cute. And if I were going out in the town and if it were winter time, I can almost guarantee I would have tights on my legs. My legs would get freezing otherwise. I would pair black tights. I was just too lazy to put them on for the try-on. Okay, I think I have one final purple piece to show you. Give me a minute. Okay, so the last outfit, all right, that I'm showing you. That doesn't mean I don't have more purple. So you probably have just seen my weekly challenge, and my last weekly challenge was colored denim. So I had like that smoked lavender jeans, and I had a smoked lavender top. So I do have a little bit even more purple than this, but you've seen it already, and I didn't want to show you again. All right? Yes, I have a lot of clothes. Not a lot of purple. I just have a lot of clothes in general. So these pants, this is again another work outfit. This is something I would have wore absolutely to the office in the summer. They're just a pair of black skinny pants that are cropped length. All right, I'll show you the ankle to show you where they land on me. They're, these are really old. I got these at Banana Republic, believe it or not. Yeah, I do shop there once in a while, but I don't know, not all the time. It's not one of my favorite stores, but I do like their stuff. And the top, I can't even tell you how old this top is. This one is from the Limited, and it's a size medium versus my usual extra small. But I still think I can get away with it. I mean, yeah, there's a lot of extra fabric down here, but that's, to me, is fine. Just as long as, you know, it's not all, like, falling off my shoulders or too much showing here, I'm okay with it. And I'm okay with this one. I don't think there's anything wrong with it other than being very long on me and me having to blouse it up a little bit. All right, and I'll pan down again so you can see my shoes. I am wearing just a pair of peep toe slingback pumps with this. And in the middle of summer, this would be at the time when I did go to the office, this would be a perfectly acceptable outfit to wear to my office. And I would typically just bring along a black cardigan because it gets cold. All right, so what do you think? Think I need more purple? Well, I'm going to be giving you a closet tour probably maybe the next couple days. And I'm going to show you my closet and how I organize it. Maybe get suggestions from you on how I should organize it a different way. And maybe you can give me ideas of what else I might need or what do you see missing from my closet. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I do a lot of styling videos now because I'm on a no-buy for the next month. 1 month down, 1 more to go. Give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell. Take care, and until next time.